And do not tempt my fury.
I am the Queen of France, and you are my subject. They're lying! But go ahead, ruin me. I could give a damn about my reputation in France.
Francis and I have an understanding. Many will. She was easier to kill.
I am Mary, Queen of Scots, and I have come to my throne.
I am not a Catholic queen. I am not a Protestant queen. I am not a French queen. I am your queen. I was born on this soil, crowned after the English murdered my father when I was 6 days old. I was raised to fight for this nation. I am Scottish. This country is in my blood as I know it is in yours. I believe in a Scotland that is independent, prosperous and peaceful. A Scotland that cannot be frightened, bullied or bought by anyone. If you agree, then you will stand with me and tell this English delegation, who would urge you to bow to their queen, what we have told countless invaders before them. That this is our land, and that though they may spill our blood, they will never take the Scotland that pounds in our veins.